Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw money from your SoFi account in 2025. SoFi has made banking easier than ever, but if you're new to it or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will help you get your funds out smoothly and securely. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SoFi account. Open the SoFi app or head to their website and enter your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication set up, which I highly recommend for security, you'll get a code to verify your login. Once you're in, navigate to the Banking or Accounts section. This is where you'll find your available balances. Look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the dashboard. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select the account you want to withdraw from, like your checking, savings, or even investment accounts. Next, choose the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any daily or monthly limits SoFi might have in 2025, which could vary based on your account type. Then, select your destination. Most people link their SoFi account to an external bank account, so pick that from the drop-down menu. Before you confirm, double-check everything for accuracy. SoFi might ask for additional verification, like a PIN or biometric scan, to protect against fraud. Once you're good, hit Submit, and you're all set. Processing times can take 1 to 3 business days, depending on the bank. A few quick tips. Always keep an eye on transaction fees. SoFi is often fee-free, but external transfers might have costs. Also, if you're withdrawing from investments, consider market conditions to avoid losses. And remember, SoFi's customer support is top-notch if you run into any issues. There you have it, folks. Withdrawing money from SoFi in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.